What's going on, guys? It's Panda, and welcome to the first vlog on this new channel that I'm making. If you guys don't know me, I'm FRSA on Instagram, and I drive a 2013 Scion FRS. I can talk more about it later in the video once I show you guys around. But today I'm going to be going to import Spring Showoff with a couple buddies of mine and my crew, or the crew that I'm a part of. So you guys stay tuned for that, and I think it'll be pretty fun. They got a lot of fun events planned, and I'm gonna be at a booth for Graveyard Performance. They asked me to be a booth car for them, so you know that's kind of a big deal for me because I've never been a booth car before. So we'll see what happens, and I'll keep you guys updated for sure.
I feel this way, I don't know, maybe. I think of her so much, it drives me crazy.
Alright, so right now we made it to the place. This is at the Utah Motorsports campus. And right now we're just in line to get in. We're in the main gate. And like I said, me and a buddy were booth cars for Graveyard Performance, so we have to go in through the main gate with them. All other cars, they actually have a separate entrance for them to go to, but not us, because we got that premium, we got that booth car, baby. So we'll see how it goes, and I'll keep you guys updated on that for sure.
She said, be honest with how you feel. I said, that's easier said than done. I said, don't worry about the future. She said, that's easier said than done. Well, it is. 'Cause true love, it ain't easy, no. She said, just show me.
We're back. What's good? So we're at the Graveyard booth right now, and we're all parked up in here. The setup is pretty fucking crazy, I'm not gonna lie. We're with the homie. We parked it right here. Yeah, this is fucking sick. Car is looking nice. I'll post it up. Setup and everything is sick. So let's yeah, this is fucking sick. Fixing up some shit over here. That's the homie.
Ow!
What?
My nail came off finally.
Yeah?
Yeah, zoom in on that dude.
Ew.
Oh yeah. Okay, what we're working on, baby.
Almost there, bro.
Yeah.
Hell yeah.
Only took 35 minutes.
Even when you come through, I can tell that it isn't you. So baby, bring it in closely. Hate the way I love you, but you're so sweet. I always find a way to say the wrong things. I wish that we were laying in the same sheets, but lately you've been acting like you hardly know me. Baby, come home.
beautiful.
Yeah, the setup is tough over here, bro. The setup is sick. The comidita
Yeah,
too,
bro, we got us fucking bacon cheeseburger with some cheese fries from the cheeseburger shop. And a motherfucking limeberry blast smoothie from the smoothie shop. And a pina colada and another bacon cheeseburger from the cheeseburger shop.
Yep, the pina
That's what we
colada.
got.
Damn.
Mine looks so plain. Don't look at mine.
That's what we do out here.
That's sick.
It's nice.
Now we're gonna sit around for another 3.5 hours.
Yeah. 3.5. That's like 4.
4 hours.
Yeah.
Hell yeah. Let's get to it.
Hey guys, this is Panda here.
It's with the homie Troy. It's with
That's
the
my
homie.
car right there.
Homie T How.
That one.
Clean. So we just chilling out here, just walking around. There's a ton of shit this year. Apparently it was more full last year. What are you doing? What are you doing? Apparently there was more cars last year, but there's a lot this year. There's a lot of clean stuff, so there's some crazy comp. I want to do that too. That shit's sick. Wait, hold on. These door cards, these. I want to do something like that. That shit's super sick. For the homies cars as well. Front set is crazy. Obviously, you guys have never seen mine, but it's hard. Looking hella sick. So this is my car. This is my 2013 Scion FRS, bagged on LF3P. I've done a few things to it. I'm gonna make a full like breakdown video talking about like everything I've done with the car, but this is what I got so far. Interior is really nice in here too. I want to do some more stuff in the interior, but this is what we got. Again, at the graveyard, shout out to Graveyard for letting us out here. LDR ride. We got a lot of whips out here. A lot of cars. A lot of cars. I'll see what else I'll film. Like I said, it's my first time making a vlog, so we'll see what happens. But you guys stay tuned. I'll let y'all guys know.
Yeah, no self-control on my own. Alone the niggas to load when the money go missing. Yeah. And my wallet and my ribcage, I love enough for comfort knowing money go with it. I told her whether you like it or not, this thing always tighter than not, I can't hold it no more. I don't think these venues supposed to hold venom more. I don't think exposure to this code is for a nigga boy. I don't even know if all these probes is worth bigger toys. I be talking shit that it ain't English words fitting for. I be in the bottom of the barrel of the studio was raising, just consumed in my vocation. At a loopy in rotation, at a in the oven, shooting movies with some brothers, youthful stoop across our face. Hey, man, no self-control on my own. Alone the niggas to load when the money go missing. Hey, and my wallet and my ribcage, I love enough for comfort knowing money go. To know money go. Hey.
Hey guys, it's currently 86 degrees. We're here chilling in the garage.
Hey. Static King.
I am the Static King. That's about it. How you feeling? You staying cold?
Yes.
Hell yeah. Alright, put the camera to Troy.
Oh. Goodbye.
Come on, Troy, give a smile.
Oh, I saw that! What? So what?
He's always so serious.
Yes.
Like, huh? No. You just need him. Don't get too excited. You're very well.
We'll make it back.
We got Mark Bill's GT86 track built. Absolute beauty. We got another Wicked Evil here. Really love the color. The gold wheels. That's it. Pretty nice, dude. Nice clean shirt. That match. ST4. Voltex racing kit, I think. I don't know. I did that guy's rule. We out here. How you feeling?
Tired. There's a dead body back there. Like the last of us. This looks like they put a dead body.
That game took over your life, bro.
Yeah, dude. So good though.
Bro, I'm like slumped. I'm like,
That heat, bro. It's what that heat does.
I got that.
Hey, Bulbous Cam here. Here with Wicked Evo X.
Meow meow. Most slammed Hunter High Meat.
Hell yeah. Where we at?
I know, but I want to tell you, you should do it right here.
Doing it. You got a free
This is Marvin, right?
I don't know what's going on. We're here at Import Spring Showoff. Showing off the imports. Hold on, let me give you some better lighting here. It was pretty cool. We rolled in here a little later than Panda did, or I don't know what his name is on this channel. Josh? Anyways, we got here around 1 o'clock, rolled in. We're parked outside. We're not cool enough.
Parked up, we're vlogging.
We're fucking vlogging.
Dude, we should. Let's just walk around and
He's
vlog.
been vlogging all day.
Oh, fuck.
Dude, hop on the camera.
Hop on the camera. So tell me who we are with today. We are here with Jody,
Hi.
my mother. We're back for another red line. We got this one.
What's up, Folio?
We're vlogging. I'll edit that out. So we are out here. Type shit. Every time I'm talking, I just like type shit. I look over, type shit.
Type shit.
Type shit.
Yeah. Wicked Evo X. Type shit. Alright, let's move on to the next clip. We're out here in the same exact spot as we were 5 minutes ago. We haven't moved. It's unbearable. The weather here is way too hot. We can't even enjoy the meet. My car's 2 football fields that way. And I don't even know if it's still there. I don't even know if Baby Yoda's still in the passenger seat.
Lizard parked up. Yo! The lizard aired out.
His eyeballs, did you see his eyeballs? Jason, have you done it?
I'm gonna babysit right now.
Type shit.
It's always my fault.
Is Kelly?
Come on, let's do it. You doing it too? He feels confident. I'm leaving him to do it. I was scared to death.
Dude looks like he's
So excited to shoot him.
Top drawer.